that Jagatsinghpur district of Odisha has a large concentration of scheduled caste population. And sir, it has seen rapid industrialization also. So over the year, there is a major port there, there is a major oil refinery there are a number of industries there. The district administration has sent a proposal to set up a Kendra Vidyalaya there, which has been long pending. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, since there are a number of central government offices there, what she is doing about the proposal and what action she has taken on it.
Thank you.
That on the 3rd of February 2016, the district administration has written to us stating that they do not have 10 acres of land to set up Kendriya Vidyalaya, and hence Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is now communicating with them to understand how we can facilitate this demand in the district. Hence, I would, sir, through you, impress upon the honourable member to use his good offices to engage with the district administration and in fact help us fulfill this desire of the citizens of the district.
Thank you. Your second question.
Sir, the minister has given me the responsibility. I'll come back to her in 1 month's time. But I need an assurance that she will work on that. And my second question is, sir, there are a number of seats lying vacant in the Kendra Vidyalayas and Navodaya schools, where the local students are not allowed to take admission. So I would like to request the minister, if a provision is made where local students are given opportunity to get admission, or a reservation of 50% is given to the local people so the students can get admitted.
That's not your question.
Yes.
To the honourable member, as I'm sure every member in this house and the other is aware, that we have increased the quota for every honourable member of parliament now to at least give entrance into Kendriya Vidyalayas. But the challenge with regards to Navodaya Vidyalaya is this, that the students who get admitted into Navodaya Vidyalaya have to do so through an entrance exam, because we want to give preference to students from rural India and especially those from weaker sections of the society. Hence, we ensure that all the seats that are demarcated for students in Navodaya Vidyalaya are actually 100% filled.
Dr. Shri Ramalingam.
In the minister's statement, the third paragraph, opening of one Navodaya Vidya in each district of the country, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas have been sanctioned in 576 districts located in 36 states and UTs, except Tamil Nadu. Why it is? Why the government of India omitted Tamil Nadu? Can the minister explain in detail where the state government has rejected it or not accepted it, or why it was happened?
So I would like to, through you, bring to the attention of the honourable member that the state government has not accepted setting up of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas within the state, and that is the position that has been unchanged with regards to the state till now in its communication with the government of India.
Thank you. Shri D. Raja. All right. Shrimati Jharna Das Vaidya.
थैंक यू सर. मैं मिनिस्टर से ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, जो हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक केंद्रीय विद्यालय होगा, ये सही बात है, लेकिन त्रिपुरा में देख रहा हूँ एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 3 केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं. बाकी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 1 है और एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 1 है. बाकी 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट अभी तक कोई केंद्रीय विद्यालय नहीं है. तो वहाँ जो 31% ट्राइबल पीपल रहते हैं, उसके लिए हम लोग जो उदयपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में गोमती डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो बोलते हैं, वो सेंक्शन भी हुआ, आज तो अप्रूव नहीं हुआ. तो क्यों अप्रूव नहीं हुआ, वो चालू करना चाहते, कब तक चालू हो?
Thank you.
Sir, through you, I'd like to tell the honourable member that it is not essential to have a Kendriya Vidyalaya in every district. Kendriya Vidyalaya can only be opened depending on the central employees who are stationed in that district, including defence personnel, and since it's their deployment and their placement in districts which becomes the prerequisite to opening a Kendriya Vidyalaya, hence proposals from districts and states are looked upon only in conjunction with that particular rule. I would also like to highlight the honourable member's concern expressed for especially children who come from the tribal community. In fact, Navodaya Vidyalaya caters to a lot of children from the tribal community. And I'm sure the honourable member, along with the others in the house today, sir, would appreciate a good news that I'd like to share. That Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya students, particularly SC/ST children and children from weaker sections, were particularly given help and special classes so that they can put up their candidature in competitive exams, especially the IIT JEE. And I've just received news that children who participated in centers in Bengaluru and Pune after this special intervention have achieved 100% result. So I'd like to congratulate those students, and also sir, we have facilitated the fact that for the first time these children from the tribal community, from the weaker sections of society, have complete fee waiver in the IIT system, including children irrespective of their category, whose family earning is less than 1 lakh a year, sir. Now the fees would be waived off in IITs completely, thereby facilitating children who are economically challenged and socially challenged
Thank
to
you.
take part in the best technology institutions in the
थैंक
country.
यू श्री अजय संजय।
वैसी साहब कि आप अपनी वाइफ के नाम पे लोन ले लीजिएगा 1 करोड़ का।
क्वेश्चन अवर इज ओवर। नहीं, कोई गलत बात नहीं कही, आप चिंता मत करें।